Hello. All right, guys. Today you're going to be taking your information that you researched about the Vietnam War, and if you choose to do a newspaper, this is a template that we have for you here. Now, you can feel free to change this around however you want because it is your project. Okay, so just because we give you this format, if you find a different way that works for you, as long as you have the information, that is the most important part. Okay, so just clarifying, having your information is the most important part. The format you can play around with. Okay, we're just trying to provide you with a template to help you with that. So the instructions is use this template to put in your information that you researched on the Vietnam War. Make sure to organize your information into different articles. So I'm going to show you that with your graphic organizers in just a few minutes. You'll need at least 5 articles that are in paragraph form. That means you just need 5 sentences, 5 to 7 sentences, and that you just need 5 different articles. You should include pictures as well. All right, so go ahead and you can title your newspaper or whatever you want, like the Vietnam War Times or whatever. Okay, then you would put your name here, and then the date. You can make it in the past of the time of Vietnam War, or if you want to make it today's date, that's fine. Okay, you don't have to worry, you want to title the article, you don't necessarily have to put your name there. Okay, and then this is where you would click here and erase this and then retype it. Okay, this is where you could also insert and put in pictures. Okay, so you would delete this, hit backspace or delete, and then you would find a picture. Remember, you can insert pictures. Go to insert an image, and you can upload from your computer, or you can search the web. Okay, or you can do it by URL too, which is nice. That's where you copy and paste the website address. So there are several different ways and options to include photos. All right, so we made this just one page, but you could just copy and paste this down to make it 2 pages. Okay, and let me show you now how you're going to take your information. So taking your organizer, I'm going to start off with the last one, the U.S. involvement. What you're going to do is notice how it's divided up into different parts. Yes, what? This is a secret. You can make each one of those a paragraph. What? Yes, you can. You might have to make one of them too, because there's 4 different sections, so you might need to take one of those and divide it up into 2. So what I would do is make this a paragraph. Okay, so causes and effects, and then 5 important facts. So there's 5 sentences right there. So and this could be like your introductory sentence, your causes, and then there's your body, and then here's your conclusion sentence. Okay, the effects. All right. Then B, here's your second paragraph. Okay, and then again, this could be your intro. You can include the setting in the intro too, your body of your paragraph, and then here's your conclusion sentence. Okay, this one you could probably split into 2 paragraphs pretty easy, because there can be a lot of information about the presidents. So maybe you'll do these 2 as 1 paragraph, and then maybe these 3 as your another paragraph. Okay, so I would probably use that one and divide it up into 2. Then, oh man, this one could be 2 too. So if you don't want to do 2 paragraphs on this one, you could probably easily do 2 paragraphs on this one. The Cold War and communism alone, you can have a paragraph about each one. Okay, so you're going to take these, and that's your articles. So you're going to take these things and then go put it into your newspaper. Looking at another organizer, again, it's pretty much the same idea. Okay, that you can look at how many different parts you have. This one only has 3, but so if you were doing the newspaper on this one, the environmental and human impact, I would do, like, this would be one paragraph. So that'd be one news article. This one I would I would actually divide this one up into three, because you could do Agent Orange's separate one, methadone, and napalm. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's your fifth paragraph right there, your fifth article. All right. Then anti-war protests. This one, let's see, how many parts are there? There are 4. Again, you can divide this up into, like, Kent State would easily could be 2 paragraphs, because you can do some more about anti-war protests. You can also turn this one into 2 paragraphs as well. And then, so there's a couple of different options there. Okay. Then let's go to last one, Vietnam. The veterans coming home. And how many different parts are there here? Oh, see, this one would be perfect. One about each one. So one paragraph about, or one article about each one. Article / paragraph about each one. So that is what you will do. And then you'll just type those paragraphs in here. So, and then after you type your paragraphs in, you get your information in there. Don't forget to go through and proofread and make sure everything's okay. Again, if there's a different format that works better for you, you can use that. Okay, but that's how you can take your information and put it into your newspaper article. Thank you and have a great day.